Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize push notifications for credit card fraud alerts step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Settings app. Tap on the Settings icon to enter the Settings menu. Scroll down to find Notifications and select it. In the Notifications menu, look for your banking app and tap on it. You will see an option to allow notifications. Toggle it to the on position. Next, ensure that you enable sound and vibration settings for alerts. Return to the main Settings menu and find Apps. Select your banking app from the list of installed applications. Check for an option labeled Permissions and tap on it. Ensure that location and background data permissions are enabled. If your bank requires two-factor authentication, ensure your phone number is verified. Now, return to the home screen and open your banking app. Log in to your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Account section within the app. Look for Fraud Alerts or Security Settings and select it. Within this section, find the option to enable push notifications for fraud alerts. Turn on the toggle switch for receiving these alerts. Confirm any pop-ups that may ask for additional permissions. Finally, test the notifications by initiating a small transaction. Monitor your device for the fraud alert notification. If you receive it, you have successfully authorized push notifications. If you do not receive it, double-check the settings and permissions you adjusted. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.